Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to be checking out this Smittybilt 9,500 pound capacity hitch-mounted D-ring receiver. Now this is a great off-road tool for any vehicle that accepts a 2-inch standard receiver. This is going to fit a Jeep, truck, basically anything with a Class 3 2-inch and slide right in there nicely and give you a nice safe recovery point. This features both the mount as well as your clevis shackle, which is rated up to a 3/4 ton pull from the bottom section here. It simply slides in, you put the pin in, and you're good to go. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on our 2012 JK Wrangler. Check it out, guys. With the Smittybilt D-ring hitch receiver installed in our Jeep, it looks great, plus a super flush mount design, which I really like. Simply slide in a hitch pin in there and you're good to go. Now you can find this Smittybilt D-ring hitch receiver as well as many other great recovery items right here at cjponyparts.com.